Hello everyone. So in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to make circular pixel stretch in Canva. So let's start with it. So we will be choosing Instagram post as a blank canvas and we will select this blank canvas and we will go to upload, and for this effect we will be requiring only this image, and that's all the effects, all the works are to be done in Canva itself. So let's start with it. So first we will go to effects and then we will scroll down to find here the pixelate option. Click on see all and we will click on pixel, this first option here, and we will select the horizontal as 1 and vertical as 200 and click on apply. Okay, and now make it bigger, which will cover the whole frame. Let's unzoom it and make it bigger to cover the whole passage and click on apply. Okay, and now we have to download this image. Just click on download and we need to open this in our canvas. Okay, so click on upload media device and I will insert it here. Okay, I will just delete it and paste this one. Click on set image as background and this time again go to effects, scroll down until we find pixelate option, but this time we will not use this pixel one and we will use this polar one. Okay, and this is done, and you can always check on the radius, increase it, decrease it according to your requirement, and I will keep it like that. Okay, and click on download. Okay, now this one is done to, so we have to upload it again. Okay, we'll open it, but as you can see this is coming as a square image. So how to convert it to circle? So the solution is go to elements and find a circle frame, or you can just click on frames and click the first one, just make it bigger according to your frame and go to upload and just use it here. Okay, you can always adjust it so that your image looks better, and this time we will download it and we have to remove the background so that we can use this effect only, because if you download this one you will find that this white background will be also coming and we don't want our background to be white. So let's download it. If you have a Pro account, you will find a background remover button here which is not available for free users, and as you know I will show all the tutorials for the free users and which can also be implemented for the pro users. So for removing the background for the pro users you will be using this, and if you don't have a pro account you have a solution with me. So you come to fococlipping.com. I will link this website in our description box, you will find it there, and click on upload this image. Click this image, bring it in the panel and as you can see it's generating, and you will find the exact remove background image, and this time you need to download it as PNG, and you also have the option for JPG, but if you download it as PNG you can also use it as a remove background image for JPG. Even if you have removed the background, there will still be a white background, so you will download it as PNG. Okay, now let's move back here, let's delete it. Okay, now we will bring the main Ronaldo image where we want to share this effect. Let's make it bigger, and now it's time to upload that image which we have removed background. See, this one is the remove background and this one is the white background. Even if you are clicking this, you can find the difference here. Now we will use this. First we will send it to back so that we can just understand how much to use for this image. And now let's adjust it, make it bigger. So we are trying something like this will start to from here to here, so this we have to crop it, and from here again we need to crop it. Okay, so this one is remaining. As you can see, there's some lower portion is remaining, so how to remove that? We have to simply turn it. Okay, and as you can see the effect looks prominent here, and now you need to readjust it so that the effect looks best here. And let's add some shadows here. Let's use this one. This is free to use. So let's use this and click on send to back. Okay, so we will also change the background color as a solid color background. Okay, and use some stripes here so that it looks better. So for stripes you can use this lines, and you can see the weight here. Click the weight and just increase the weight, and now rotate it. Okay, and paste it here and change the color to brown here or maroon here so that we can understand the difference. And let's duplicate it thrice. So that we can bring on an effect here, and just place the same things here also. Rotate it, duplicate it, again duplicate it. So let's move it somewhat, some little above. So as you can see, the image is ready, and this is the pixel stretch which you can do the best way in Canva. So hope you like this tutorial, and if you like this, please do subscribe to the channel and stay for more tutorials. And in the meantime, when we are coming back with new tutorials, you can check our other tutorials in our channel. Stay tuned.